So I've been using this 3-piece knife set from Syokami, and I've gotta say, they've become my and my family's go-to knives in the kitchen. I don't even think we use any other knife now that we have these three. The set comes with a chef's knife, a paring knife, and a Nakiri, so it pretty much covers everything from chopping vegetables to cutting fruit to slicing meat. Right away, you can feel how solid they are. The blades are made from high carbon German steel and they are super sharp. Like there is no sharpening involved. They came ready to go. They glide through everything that we have tried so far. They're hand polished with a 14 to 16 degree edge, so they hold their sharpness really well. The handles are also beautiful. They're full tang, triple riveted, and made with FSC certified wood, so they feel sturdy, but they're also super comfortable to hold. There's a nice weight to them without them being heavy, and they've been really easy to clean. And honestly, the quality feels way higher than the price. They even come with a satisfaction guarantee, so if you don't love them, they'll make it right. But I'm pretty sure you'll love them as we have. If you're looking for a solid knife set that performs well, looks great on your counter, this one's been a really good upgrade.